Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In last week's episode, we showed you the progress on painting the walls and ceiling, us building the bed frame, and also Justin installing these floors that I think turned out beautifully. It's coming together, folks. We got the cabinets in, countertop. We're gonna be staining that, or really just oiling it down. Got our platform for the bed, which is super exciting. We've got our ottomans that are going to be sitting over here to create like a bed space, an extra chill lounge space. Those are on the way. We ordered a sink. We've got bugs flying everywhere because it's hot in the middle of July. And right now, Justin is working on finishing the floor. Lots of exciting things. This week we have big plans. We're finishing up the floor trim and then installing our new sink, which means figuring out the plumbing situation. Plus, we're about to install our dining room table. Don't do this at home.
Saying you let me be, I am grateful, so grateful for every single one of my lost friends who traveled through tunnels with no light at the end. I am thankful, so thankful for every day that I awake and the sun comes up, for the woman that I love and the tea in my cup, for the kids that I'm raising that help raise me, for the man that I was and the one that I'll be. Yeah. These are some beautiful days we're living here, and I couldn't be more thrilled with the skin I'm here. I said I'm present and grateful that I got and the love keep me moving, said the love keep me moving, cause there ain't no need to stop. Da, 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 da. Hey, hey, hey. was abused as a child and still possess the strength to wear a smile. I am grateful, so grateful, for the angry young man that I used to be and the one I become for my family. I am thankful, so thankful, for my 2 arms, 2 legs, 1 heart to build strength, 1 voice, 6 strings, and the love that it brings. 4 sister, 4 brother, 2 father, 2 mother, 1 daughter, 2 sons, 1 woman, that's love. These are some beautiful days we're living in. I couldn't be more thrilled with the skin I'm in. I said I'm present and grateful for that I got, and the love keep me moving. Said the love keep me moving, cause there ain't no need to stop. La da 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 da. Hey. These are some beautiful days we're living in, and I couldn't be more thrilled with the skin I'm in. I said I'm present and grateful for that I got, and the love keep me moving. Said the love keep me moving, cause there ain't no need to stop. La da 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 da. Hey.
Alright guys, week 3 of building is finished, and now that we have most of the big projects complete, we're going to start focusing on the little details and putting our personal touch on everything. So thank you for your support, and come back next week to check out the big reveal. We're going to do a full tour inside and out and start talking about some of the places we're ready to get to once we get this baby on the road.